Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Now today I'm very excited because I'm introducing one of our most brilliant products. So what we have done is we have come up with what we call pre-tests, right? So these pre-tests, they function to assess the your knowledge and your readiness, right? So let's assume that you have been watching these videos, you have been reading all your materials, but you really have not sat down to actually assess the thing that you have been learning. Or do you actually understand these things? Or I guess that you might actually be able to assess yourself using these test materials. Okay, so what I have here, I have a pre-test. So if you really like this pre-test, after I'm done explaining them and you really want them, just make sure that you let me know in the comment section here, and you send you the link via WhatsApp, right? So I have my phone here, so what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to be able to take one of the pre-tests so that you can actually know the thing that we are talking about and how it works. So I have my phone here. I'm going to log on to one of the tests. So let me just go to WhatsApp. I've sent this test to one of our students here. Okay, so I log on like this, right? So here is the test. So this is test number 4. We have quite some tests. So just on the number that you see on the screen there, just let us know so that we can actually be able to send you this link and you can take this test at your home or wherever you are, okay, so that you can assess your readiness for the exam. Now this is a big disclaimer here, okay? So we are not saying that after you've taken this test you pass. No, we are saying that after you've taken this test and you passed, it means that you have more chances of passing there, right? So just assessing your readiness, that's all, okay? So we are not automatically guaranteeing you that if you pass on this test you pass there. No, we are just saying that these are the questions that you are most likely to encounter in your exam. So we are giving these questions so that you can test yourself. So do make sure that you do spend less than 15 minutes on this test, okay? So what you might actually need to do is to come here and put your email there like I have done. Then after you've done that, you need to make sure that you get at least 22 questions correct in order for you to pass. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to be scrolling here. As you can see, this is what we have. This is the test, right? So what you do, you make sure that you tick the right question here. This one says at a bridge you should travel at is it a safe distance? Is it 40 to 60 kilometers per hour or 40 kilometers per hour? Well, you should travel at a safe distance, right? So this is what you are doing. You are reading the question, then you tick the correct answer, right? So you tick until you have finished. Then after you have done, you submit it. Now if you try to submit after you have not ticked all the questions, you will not be able to submit. You just need to make sure that you submit, okay? Submit all the questions, okay? So let's move on to the next one. I may overtake you. Transverse lines are what we call prohibition or stop lines. So this one is a tarred road end to a gravel road. So this is not a tutorial video like what we do. This is just to show you one of the products that we have made, okay? So just know that we have what are called computerized pre-test. So here we give you the link, you access it from your phone, okay? So you take this test like this on your phone, okay? So I'm just going to show you how it's going to look like after you've taken the test. Obviously I'm going to get certain answers wrongly just to show you how it looks like and what it will be when you fail and things like that, okay? So the color of an L plate is we know that it's red on white background, right? So just give me a second, let me just answer all these questions, and some I have to do it intentionally. I have to get some answers incorrect so that you see how the system reacts. So we have automatically set which answer is correct and which answer is incorrect here. So if you input an incorrect answer, we'll actually be able to mark this as a wrong answer, okay? So give me just a few minutes. I'm just going to fast forward here so that we see how everything is done. So yeah. Okay guys, so this last one here I have to intentionally get it wrong because I need to show you how the system will react if you get a certain answer wrong. Okay, so this one says when you see an ambulance or a police sounding its device, what should you do? So the correct answer is you slow down and you move out of its course and stop. So I'm just going to tick increase your speed. So after you're done, you hit submit, right? So when you hit submit, it will say that your response has been recorded. So what you need to do is you need to click here when it says view score. So here, as you can see here, I got a 22, right? So here, this one I got it wrong. So here I got it right, here I got it wrong intentionally. So the question reads, you may overtake, and the answer that I chosen is when there are two lanes going in opposite direction. Hopefully that's not incorrect, right? So you may overtake when there is a continuous line and a broken line on your side. So this answer is the most appropriate answer. Okay, so I got it wrong intentionally because I wanted you to see how it would look like. So when you get an answer wrong, so like it says here, so this answer is the wrong one. So look at it here. So you can actually be able to see which answers you got wrong, and it will give you the correct answer also, so that you actually be able to revise. So we are just saying that this will help you to assess yourself, assess your readiness for the final exam. So if you are really interested in this that we have created, just WhatsApp us and we will be sending you links to this test. And we also encourage you to just be meticulous about this. Just do make sure that you draw a graph. Okay, I did test 1, I got 22, test 2 I got 23, test 4 I got 23, and just make sure that you are on an uptrend and you are actually be able to benefiting from this. So guys, thank you so much. If you really like this, just WhatsApp us. The number is there on the screen, and we'll be able to send you these pre-tests. We are calling them pre-test. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Okay guys, another thing I forgot to mention is after you have completed this test and after you have done this test, what should be sent to your email is your report, your results, right? So here you will be shown all the answers, the test will be shown, and what you've answered correctly and what you've answered right. So this will be sent to your email. If you have inputted the correct email, that email will be sent to you. So yeah, so this is something very nice, something to check out. Just like I said, just hit us on that WhatsApp number and we'll see how best we can actually help each other. So this will be sent to your email, right? And you will have all this. So yeah.